To use app lock on OnePlus Nord CE5, you will have to go to the settings. Now you will have to scroll down and go for security and the privacy, and over here just go below for this option called app lock. Over here you will have to just simply turn it on by clicking on the switcher and create the privacy password. As you can see, you will get this screen: set a privacy password first. So we can just use this one or change the password type, just up to your preferences. In my case, I will go from 1 to 6 and I'm gonna use it. Then you have to input it another time to confirm. Over here we have to set some security settings. You can add recovery email if you forgot your password, or you can use a question. You can even change this question or even set your custom question. Over here you have to input your answer. Click done, and now just lock every application that you want. Now if you will try to open this application, you will get this privacy password that you have to input.